In this video, I'm going to show you the sorting options within Notion databases. So sorting allows you to reorganize all of the information and data in a database or a database view, and it allows you to put it into a certain order. So all of the data is still visible, but rather than being in a random order, it is sorted alphabetically or in another logical order as determined by you. So in order to sort, you can click this sort button in the top right corner, and all the properties will show up here that you can choose from. You can also click on these three dots and choose sort, but that obviously takes an extra click. So it's a little faster to just click sort right here. Quickly, before we get into the detail of that, note that you can just sort a column directly from that column header. So if I click on current page column header, you'll see right here, it's got sort ascending and sort descending options, and you can do that for any property in a database. So yeah, that's just a quick handy way to sort things ascending or descending if you like. So let's look at some more advanced options. So if we click sort, let's just choose the author first. So you can see it just pops up author ascending, and then descending is the other option. This is a text field, so those are basically your options for that. And then we'll just delete that sort. Let's look at a number property. So we'll look at number, oh, whoops, that's filter. We'll look at number of pages, total number of pages. So we click that. Again, it just pops up automatically with ascending and descending. And those are your options for number properties. And then we'll look at a multi-select column. It's the same thing, really, just ascending and descending. And as you can see in this genre column, this is a book database, library database that I've put together. In this genre column, there are multiple selections there. So when you choose ascending or descending sort for something like this, a multi-select column that has multiple pieces of data selected, it will ascend or descend based on the first selection. So if I go descending here, you'll see it's descending, so it's sorted by the first data point. So thriller, T is the last one, self-help, P, and if we scroll to the bottom, we'll see chick lit here. So C is the first or closest to the beginning of the alphabet, and since it's descending, it's at the bottom. So it will sort based on the first selection. So let's delete that. And so you can sort on as many data points as you want. So let's just try that for the total number of pages and then current page. So if I click sort and say, okay, total number of pages, ascending, okay. And then if we add a sort, just click add sort here, and what was I gonna do? Current page, where is that? Right here, and just choose ascending for that as well. So now if we scroll down here, we see, the total pages, it's ascending. So it's based on the total number of pages, and then it's going to sort based on the current page. So these two books have a total number of pages of 314, so they're side by side, but then you see it has sorted as a secondary sort on the current number of pages. So it started with 1 and then went ascending again, as we told it to 314. So when you have more than one sorting option, it will sort or prioritize the sort on the first selection. So in this case, the total number of pages, and then it will sort on your next selection and so on. So it will prioritize sorting from first to last selection in your sort. So here the total number of pages is prioritized, and that will be the first sort. Then it will sort on current page, as we can see here with total number of pages at 314, and then it's sorted on current page. So, and you can add as many as you like. And if we did want to rearrange or reprioritize that sorting, all you have to do is click here, click this little 6 dots here on the left, and drag and drop. So now you see the sorting has changed, and it's prioritized the current page because it's the first selection we made up here. So that's how you can resort. And then of course you can delete the sort here, no problem. start over again. And then just something good to note is that changing the sorting on one view will not change the sorting on other views of this same database. So any changes we made here would not affect views of this database elsewhere or on other pages. Each view is independent of itself, or independent of each other when it comes to sorting. So I hope that was a helpful overview of sorting for you.